Let's get your SaltCo Home Sensor installed. Start by locating the lid of your water softener's brine tank. If your tank has a removable center plug, simply remove it. If not, we've provided you with a 5/8 drill bit to drill a hole right in the center of your brine tank. Next, remove the adhesive backing. Place it over the hole and make sure it's pressed down firmly. Next, plug in your sensor to the nearby outlet. Once your blue light turns on, it's ready to pair. If the light isn't breathing blue, press and hold the button on the side for about 10 seconds to place the sensor into pairing mode. Follow the prompts in the app to connect the sensor to your home's Wi-Fi network. Once your sensor is connected to the app, simply add a name and measure the height of the tank. After connecting, take a minute to personalize your sensor. These settings allow SaltCo Home to accurately calculate your salt level and ensure deliveries arrive at the right location. Congratulations, your SaltCo Home Sensor is installed and ready to go. When your tank is low, it'll send a notification to your phone, and the app makes it quick and easy to order your salt. If you need any more help, you can reach us at saltco.com.